Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. Today we are making vegetable sauce, so I decided to give tomato stew a break. Come, let's cook it. Some oil, onion, rosemary, Bayleaf, quickly stirred. I added in my spinach. I got the frozen spinach. I defroze it and I cut it to the sizes you are seeing here. I will stir together. All my returnees, thank you for always returning. My new subscribers, thank you, welcome. I really appreciate. So I added in my debone, Banga fish, dried fish, crayfish, pepper, paprika, all my spices as usual, guys. Feel free to use the spices that you have. I use the one that I have. So after that, guys, follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. All the name is still the same, Lady B Varieties. Check my channel out for the videos that you might find helpful. Cooking videos, health recipe, baking videos, family lifestyles. I have all the videos in here, so I'll give it a proper mix. Guys, this sauce can go with yam, plantain, rice, pounded yam, cocoa yam. Just list it, guys. Anything can go. And it was so easy, but guys, it tastes so good, so nice. Try it, guys. It's nice. So once I am done with the mixing, I will test for salt. So it needed salt. I just added more salt, and I stir together again. Turn on your post notification, guys. Follow me for more updates. Thank you for always encouraging me, the like, the comment, the share. I really do appreciate. May the good Lord bless you. So I cover to cook. Here is cooked, ready to be enjoyed. So I added in my oven baked fish and turkey and goat meat. Enjoy. Bye.